Given a hexagonal lamina of size 25 mm rests on one side on its corner on HP. The lamina makes 45 degree to HP. The diagonal passing through the corner on which it rests is inclined at 30 degree to VP. Draw its projection. So this is the given question. So now let's draw the projection. Before going to the question, let's make a page setup. The page setup is very easy. So press UNITS units and tap enter. Now the precision must be 0.00. Then tap OK. Now next is press D
enter,
and now go to modify. Now here decimal spectrator must be period. So click to period. Now go to fit text and it must be iOS standard. So then tap OK. Then last page setup is go to annotate and text, and here the text height must be 3.5. Then tap enter. So this is the page setup. Now let's draw the projection. Now first draw the line, click to line and tap escape. If the line must be straight, you must on this function. The function name is restrict cursor orthogonal. So on, so you will get a straight line. Here see the line is not straight. So when you on this function and you draw a line, you will get a straight line. See how it is now. Now naming text, click and specific rotation must be 0, tap 0. Now it is x-axis, it is y, and this is VP and this is HP. So then press escape. Now see. Now let's draw the polygon. Here they given the polygon of sides 6. So let's draw the sides 6. Press polygon and enter the number of sides. Number of side must be 6. Enter specific center of polygon. You must tap E, enter and edge and expand it, and given the side is 25, so tap 25, enter. Now you will see. Now let's move this. Click on it and tap move and select the point. Now move it. Okay, now let's see whether it is 25 or not. Now go to dimension, and so as you see now it is correct 25 mm. So now let's join the edges to its axis. Go to line, now let's name the edges as well as the join lines. Let's name this edge as A, this as B, this as C, D, E, and this edge as F. Now this will become as A dash, and this will become as B dash of F dash, and this will become as E dash of C dash, and this will become as D dash. Now we have completed one step. Now they have given the lamina makes 45 degree to HP. So now let's draw a line. Now the line must be at 45 degrees, so tab and give the angle as 45. Now see, now whether it is 45 or not, let's check it. Go to here and click on angular. Now select this line and this axis. Now see, it is correct 45. Now let's draw a line from A to B of F and B dash of F to E dash of C dash and D dash. Now before doing next step, let's highlight this. So go to here, by layer, and highlight this to 0.50 mm. See, this is not highlighted because we doesn't turn on this function, so you must turn on this function. This function is called line weight. So when you turn on, we will see the highlighted portion. Now let's copy this, include this line and this naming as well, then press copy. Now let's click here and move outside to this, escape. Now let's rotate this so we can get the angle. Now press rotate, center, and let's take the reference. Now from this let's rotate to 45. So tap 45 and enter C. Now let's make a line from here to here. From here to B dash of F dash. Now from here to E dash. Now from D dash to D. Now let's join the lines from E to B let's off this curse of this, and now let's join line E now. As you see, the cursor is here, so B, C, D, E, F and A. So see, now this is correct. Now let's join these lines. let's turn on this. Now from D to D dash. Now from E to E dash. Now see, this is the correct. Now let's highlight this. Now we have named this side as A1, B1, C1, D1, E1 and F1. Now in question they have given that the corner on which it rests is inclined at 30 degree to VP. So now let's draw a line of 30 degree which is inclined to VP. Now let's draw a line. It must be 30 degrees. So now press tab 30. Whether it is 30 or not, let's see. Go to dimension. Now angular. Now select the first line. Select the second line. And it is 30 degree. Now let's cut an arc of dimension 50 as you see here. Now go to arc, select center start end, select at any point of the line and extend it. Now type 50, enter. Now cut an arc, hold control and cut this. Now let's see whether it is radius of 50 or not. Go to dimension, select radius, tap on it and as you see here it is radius 50. Now let's make a line from this arc, extend it. So first we must on this and now let's make a line from this. Now let's cut another arc of radius 30.82 as you see here. Go to arc, center start end and point from here, extend it. Sorry, first we must off this and go to arc, center start end, point from this, extend it. Now type 30.82, enter, control. As you see here, the arc cuts the line at this position. Now let's see whether it is radius of 30.82 or not. Go to dimension, radius, tap this and as you see here it is 30.82. Now let's copy this hexagonal one by one with namings and sides. Copy one by one slowly. Now press copy, COPY and let the base point must be D1 and E1 should touches that starting point. Then here the D1 must touches this arc, so let's select again and rotate it. Now let's rotate, type rotate. Now select this point and click reference here. Now take this point as well as this as reference. Now move the arc so that the arc, now as you see here, it touches the D1. So now extend it. So now the last step, extend the line F1 here to here. Wait, sorry. F1. Now next line E1. Now let next line as A1. Now next line B1. Now next line as C1. Now next line, last line and final line D1. Now let's join this line. First one is from A1 to B1 to E1 to D1 to C1, C1 to B1, B1 to A1. Now let's highlight this. Now let's name these sides. First this side, as A dash, this as F dash, this as E dash, this as D dash, this as C dash, and final this as B dash. As you see here now, our whole given question is completed. So thank you for watching. If you like this, please like and subscribe. Support me. Thank you. See you in next question.